Hello friends, my name is Rakesh Patil. I completed my BE in mechanical field from North Maharashtra University. Today's date is 23 November 2021 and today's topic is iterative statement loops. Iterative statement. First, loops in Java. Loops is a programming language is a features which facilitate the execution of the set infrastructure function repeatedly while some condition evaluation to true. Java provides three ways to execute the loops. While all the ways provided similar basic functionality, they have different their syntax and conditional checking time. First one is while loop. A while loop is a control flow statement that allows code to be executed repeatedly based on the given boolean condition. The while loop can be tough of repeating if sentence. Attention reader. Don't stop learning now. Get hold all the important Java foundation and collection concept with the fundamental of core Java collection while loop started with the checking of condition. If the evaluated or two, then the loop body statement are executed, otherwise the first statement following to loop executed. For the reason it is also called as entry control loop. Once the control condition is evaluated to true, the statement in loop body executed. Normally statement contain an update value for the variable being processed for the next iteration. When the condition becomes false, the loop terminated, which makes the end of the its cycle. Second one is the for loop. For loop provides a constant way of writing the loop structure. Unlike a while loop, a for statement consume the initialization condition, increment decrement in one line, thereby provided a shorter, easy debug structure. One is initialization condition. Here we initialize the variable in use. It makes start for loop already declare variable can be used for a variable can be declared local to loop only. Second one is testing condition. It is used for testing the exit condition for a loop. It must be written boolean value. It is also entry control and condition check period execution of loop statement. Third one is statement execution. One of the condition evaluated to truth, the statement of the loop body are executed. Fourth one is increment and decrement. It is used for updating the variable for next iteration. 5.1 loop termination. When the condition becomes the false, the loop termination making end of its life cycle. Third one is do while. Do while loop is similar while loop with only different is check and condition after execution of the statement and therefore is an example of exit control. There are some topic in that do while loop start while the execution statement there are the checking any condition for the first time. Second one is after the execution of the statement and the update variable value, the condition is checked for true and false values. If the value evaluated to true, next iteration of loop start. When the condition becomes false, the loops terminate, which makes the end the cycle. It is important note for the do while will executed its statement at least once before the condition is checked and therefore it is an example of exit loop control. Thank you for watching.